Hello everybody, these are two power keys, impression force keys, 2 in 1. The set includes 2 picks, 1 needle for them, it is inserted, it fits both keys, universal one. This is a standard force key, standard length, and the second slightly extended for 7-8 pins using. It can be sometimes found in Chinese cylinders indoors. The force key is good, especially the universal one. According needle, you can use the needle, you can also not use it, but it is better to use it because it holds the foil. We put the foil on it when smooth it, and when we insert it into the lock, the needle doesn't allow the foil to wrinkle. Therefore, it is better to use a needle. And it fits both. It is inserted into the other force key in the same way. The main running one is the universal force key, and it happens that you need an extended one. About work. Now we will open several locks. This is not necessarily a force key, it's just an impression tool with foil as well. So it's up to you to decide how to work with it. For working cleanly, without damaging the lock, then you simply don't apply the force. Just work with light movements and don't apply load. And then it will be like an impression tool type with opening without damage. If in your case the lock can be damaged, in the event that it doesn't open but you need to open it, for example, then just add force. Just don't forget to do it not in one movement, to take it and turn it, but swing and swing. Just do gradually add force. And while it's swinging, it turns. The main thing is to do it gradually, not right away. Gradually add more and more force. Like now, it won't go clean. There is a lot at play, backlash, so I start adding more load. You could hear it, right? The lock broke, or rather some pins broke. Sometimes there's still some working stuff left, even in this case. You can use foil yellow or white, that is 0.5 and 0.6 thickness. And be sure to insert it all the way. Pull out the needle. Everything is easy here. In general, I think it's clear. If you do not want to damage the lock, just do not apply load. If it doesn't matter, then you can add more and more, gradually. So both force keys are for standard type profiles, that is China, Apex, Imperials. There are a lot of them. Universal as a running one, popular one, and 7-8 pin as an extended one. Sometimes it is necessary as well. They are on sale, now they come as a set, like this, And separately as well you can buy it. There is, for example, the universal itself or an extended one. The price of the tools you can find on our website. The link is under this video.